Yeah, peeps, morning. Today is a Sunday morning, guys, and we will be heading to the river to get some fish. Alright. I'm gonna tell my father say I'm gonna use and catch fish till inside a worm. So, peeps, I wanna use catch fish. Persons from St. Thomas. Some persons use worm, some people use mango, some people use spear. Let me know what y'all use. Alright, guys. So, in the meantime, watch the intro.
I do not have a crazy story to tell, like I dropped out of college or I quit my job and traveled the world. I am just a normal person with passions I am willing to pursue. Follow me on my journey as I show you what I accomplish. I am Alex, and this is Elite Jamaica.
So, Maria look worm, you know. What you find already? You find none? You see now, Baka?
Go see them in the water in there.
Water in there? See you through the water? Oh, I see them through the bottom. See them the peeps? Holy power room.
You see now they're not dead?
Them not dead?
You see them move.
You see them?
I could be there. So found the biggest one.
Yeah, peeps. So my father do some more farming. I plant tomato and sweet pepper. So these are the holes which they are gonna go in. Right now, manure inside of the hole. You know, so you must stamp it down. Yeah, we stamp them down like this and then plant the tomato or whatever we're gonna plant in the hole. You find one? You better find one right now. See my peeps. I want the big one. You eat him?
You can't eat.
Oh, you can't eat. So if you eat him.
You can't eat. I try not to eat.
Yeah, peeps. So see the hole in my peeps. I showed you some clips from yesterday while we were doing these and explain how it's done. Alright? Yeah, man. Peeps, tomato and sweet pepper. Okay, them are grow. Yeah, man. Ya do peso to down.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is
Yeah. Okay. What that now bag of you know what? What we use and make manure? You know any money? You know what that my bag? I'm soon tell you. Your peeps, my father prepare backyard to plant out some pepper though?
Pepper and tomato.
Some pepper and tomato. And Romara sprinkle the fall doodle. You know that we use some manure down. Yeah man. Doghouse? Romara make doghouse, you know man. So Romara, arm under the bed, arm under the bed, arm under the bed. Get one hammer under the bed so you can use 1 feet. Romara. Yeah peeps, so we're up on way. Have a river. Romara are coming now when then turn back for the net. Because we have one net we have to use to catch longer. Alright, so yeah peeps. Yeah peeps, I saw I beat it this morning. No? 10 toes. This was once like the storage area of the truck and the thing them work on the quarry. Because I think it was around here at one point. Daddy, around us the quarry did the one at a time. Crusher down us so. Yeah peeps, guys, that are the crusher right there. The crusher was actually here at one point. Some more tractor. Yeah man. Yeah peeps. Belvedere Hills over there. So we're on our way. Not see Romara yet. Not come still. This is the quarry road. This road takes you right back down to Marant and can also take you up to Seafort past Ogilvy's quarry. Going up. Remember seeing Ogilvy's quarry in one of my videos the other day. If you did see it, type it in the comment section down below and let me know where you see it. Alright? Yeah man, so I go up the road. I look like them block off the so lock it to vehicular traffic. Today Sunday, oh come like you know no truck come on come get my son. Illegally. No wrong them. So them block that. Yeah, peeps, so that's how we are going. I look bamboo yesterday, nobody. It's a cuckoo. Cuckoo on the move. Peeps. Cuckoo there, so I know Mario they close. Mario! Peeps, right here, we use these bamboos to put the line on. I'm going to show you that. Right. Cuckoo. 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 Yeah, deal. Type cuckoo in the comment section down below, guys. Cuckoo active as always. Hold this, Mario. Tap flip. Flip me. This is saying I've cut them out, Mario. Jar them. That's why I'm using jar on them. Yep, peeps. Like it, Mario? Sinus are here from the bottom of the morning. Neat, you know? I'm looking around too.
Yeah.
This one, man. I really want a long one today, is it? Long one, don't really work well. It's too soft?
This is then I go broke that.
You know them now broke though, but kind of too flimsy. Good. That's what? Yeah?
And then
You want that one? I know say you like when you're in the street and I'm like when. Yeah, peeps. Get up on way. Now, I'm reach out there, sir. I'm showing you how we make the line them and put on the hook and all of that. Alright? Wanna follow me? So, Mario gone buy hook. We just realized so we need more hooks. So, I'm gonna buy 5 hook. So, out on the river stay. The other day, you know, I try to go around this way, avoid take off my shoes. Still enough of it take off my shoes. Know where to go. And right now, it actually look heavier right now. Fish in there? Can't catch fish in there? Oh. Cocoa. Ah, swim. What time I drink? Yeah, peeps, so we're up on the river now. You know, we come back at that spot and my father loved that spot here, you know. I don't really know if we can manage that spot here the whole day, but we're here. So that's good. Now make him know say when we're up on Lebanon, a mango we use. In Elder? Yeah, but I tell you, up so a mango we use up so still. Mango and pear. Okay. I'll cheese chicks and flour.
Chicken?
Yes.
It's the fat. Yeah.
Like that will come out of it.
Oh, and some man use dump and flour. I don't know what that's for.
Yeah, peeps, this side of the river.
Right, okay, jacket.
Cool.
Go feel the man about to
Yep. Hey.
man is up and it's going, man. Before the breeze, you know, breeze on the sun.
Yeah, peeps, the fish, I might give my father a problem. Like, I don't know if I want to eat that a while ago, but that's something big. You see, under the dark, you know, peeps, so them not so shadow. So now at the best time when it's overcast, I want to have a lot of breeze.
Are you up on that?
Yeah, I hooked up on it,
You must go on.
and hooked up on the same way.
Go feed them.
Yeah, man, go feed. You get to that down there, sir. The worm on the hook, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, peeps. Out on the river. So now it's like, I know my father catch a whole lot of fish them out there, so we'll go down on a different place where we can catch some water, some fish. Maka? Yeah guys, so that way I do. We'll head over on the Belvedere Road, go down the road and then fish come up. Alright, come on. Daddy have can? Right, myself, yeah. Sure, man, I skip. I rode that down. How then? If I see cuckoo, I go out there no side of the road. Yeah, peeps, so we're up on the Belvedere Road now. I go down. And remember that road, I don't? But today we're up on a fishing mission. Yeah. I'm going to catch a whole lot of fish them, you know. You see that bag, Amara? Open the bag and see that. Nothing there. That fish in there. I know I'm not catch one fish in a peeps, I swear. Yeah, peeps. That we buck up on a while ago. You understand, so we come across still phone, they don't out of memory. Never even realized I saw the phone full. So come across and well, head out toward the water. I run, see if we can catch some big fish. Because I'll be a purge on us still. I mean, I tell further, so like, we want to catch some river fish, some really size fish. So we'll go down with the water and run. Your peeps, son of fella, just bought me 2 hours ago, you know. Yeah, peeps, so we're on the way home. Cuckoo find piece of bone, like piece of cow bone or something, you know. So I'm mash it down there. So the point we are going, peeps, I'm not catching no fish, none at all. Like, not even one. Ramon not catch none neither, so father catch all of them. How much I catch? 14? 13 fishes. A double bad luck, that, you know. So double bad luck and most good luck, though. Yeah, peeps, so with the point we are going. Catch you when I get there, guys. Yep. That's where we're coming from. Background. Cuckoo active as always. Now I try this other part where I walk. That's where I walk? Yes, sir? Right. So? On the road I hope, yes, sir.
Oh my God.
I would bring me right back up to our truck, you know.
That's a miracle learn to drive from one time.
Yeah, peeps, so I go straight up on the road until we reach up. Up to where we show now, where the road block. Yeah, this road gonna take right up here. Yeah, man. Peeps, I reach where the other crusher was. Basic quarry. That's a sign right there. Established 1885. Crusher here and all of that. Reach on Pauline Drive. So peeps, the ambulance and the bus. The school bus look like, you know, them normally use it for transport workers as they do on these farms. We see a lot of that. And that's the ambulance right there. Yeah, peeps. Oh, big property go around and the crusher. That's the crusher, guys. For them use to make gravel. So we're on our way now, peeps. So we have a what do you call it now, a decision to make. If you don't want to see, we're going to see, we'll catch fish. And my father type that in the comment section down below. But if you don't want to see, we're going to a river like up Mount Lebanon, we'll catch fish. Type that in the comment section down below. Make we see the next place we are next Sunday. Alright? Yeah, man. Blessings, guys, and thank you all for watching again. If you enjoy videos like these, remember you can always subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button and turning on notifications. There will be an instructional video following this, alright? And one question for you guys: how many fishes did my father catch on cam? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you want to see us do this every Sunday, let me know also. Alright? Y'all stay blessed until we meet again here on Elite Jamaica.